Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how I get my house to smell really good during the holidays. And I'm sure that you've all heard of stovetop potpourri. And today we are going to make some stovetop potpourri. So to begin with, I bought this cute pot on Amazon. I'll show you what the box looks like, okay? And it comes with this scrub brush and this hot pad, so you can, if you need to move your jar, you can set it on this so it doesn't burn your counter. Now the thing about glass, when you're using glass, you cannot turn your heat up super high. You just want this to simmer because you don't want your glass to break, okay? So what I've got here is I've taken one whole orange, and you just leave the peeling on, and I've just sliced it and then cut it in half again. So let's add, oh, I gotta take the lid off. So we're gonna add these oranges to our pot. I can't wait for this to start boiling so that I can smell it. It's yummy. Okay, then 2 cinnamon sticks. And you can either get those at the hobby shop, you know, like Hobby Lobby or a craft store, but I got mine at the grocery store, McCormick, and they just come in a bottle like that. Then we're going to add some cranberries, and I'm just going to dump some in. If I had to guess, I'd say maybe 1/4 cup. Just about like that, okay? And then we are going to add in a few cloves. Again, this is McCormick from the grocery store. Okay. And then the last ingredient is called star anise. This is a little bit hard to find. I had to go to 3 grocery stores. I finally found it at Harmon's. And you only need about 3 of these, but look how pretty they are. That's where they get their name, because they look like a star. This one's a little broke, but so we're just gonna put those right on top, okay? Then I've got some water here. We're going to pour some water in. You just want your water to come about right there. Okay, so excuse the dogs. My doorbell just rang, and I don't want to redo this video because I've already put everything in here. But I will link this below in my description box. You just want to bring this to a simmer and just let it simmer, and it will smell your house for days. And once you don't smell it anymore, then you can just make new. Okay, so happy holidays, everyone, and thanks for watching.